vibrant culture and heritage of the Karbi community. Adding another feather to its cap, Meghalaya received the accolade of Top Performer State at the National Startup Awards 2022, held as part of the National Startup Day celebrations yesterday. Over the years, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has spearheaded the movement to make Meghalaya India's leading startup hub. And in pursuit of this target, several programs and initiatives were launched to support and facilitate local entrepreneurs, one of these being the Prime program. As a precursor to the Top Performing State Award, Meghalaya was prominently featured as a focus state at the World Food India 2023 event held in New Delhi in November 2023. In January this year, the state was awarded the second runner-up trophy at the One District One Product Awards held during the Atma Nirbhar Bharat Utsav 2024 in New Delhi.